So my car doesn't give me a complete flat platform base to sleep on, so I found some scraps of MDF and I am going to, well, I say I'm going to get John to do some cutting for me. I've measured all the pieces of what I want. They're not exactly to my drawings, but as long as I get the total kind of length of 128 centimeters and 55 centimeters or thereabouts, then that should be good. And there's my hero. I'd like to do the cutting for me because he's more accurate at cutting than I am. So I always have a box of kind of knickknacks of things that I purchase and never end up using. So I found this piano hinge. It's 30 centimeters long, which will be perfect for this area because this is 54 centimeters wide. So I'm not going to be accurate in terms of kind of where I'm going to fit this, as long as obviously everything lines up. So I'm just going to mark the holes where I'm going to put the screws in, and then we'll go from there. There, that's better. And then I think I'm going to line it with some carpet as well, which I do think we've got some spare scraps off as well. So let's see. So what I'm doing here is I'm going to kind of glue this on to soften that edge that is going to join the backrest of the car, so that won't feel the edge of the board so much. This should help it. So do I glue or do I screw? So I've got this strong kind of adhesive, and what you do is you spray the carpet and the surface as well, so that it does create a bend. And I'm going to start on this end, I think, because it's going to be the least complicated. There we have the platform. Right, so the legs have arrived, and this is what they look like. They come with the screws. And they come in these parts. So this bit here is what attaches to the base. Now, I could just have this on its own and adjust it, and this will extend up to, I think this alone is about 42 millimeters, and then it can extend up to 60 millimeters, I think it is. And if you do need it to go higher, it comes with these extension pieces as well, so you can have them a little bit higher. Come with these pads as well that you stick at the bottom of the legs, just to give it extra kind of protection to your flooring, if you like. So got my trusted Mickey Mouse drill that John calls it, because it's from IKEA, but it has served the purpose. And all I do is just screw the legs on. I'm okay with that. Yeah, looks level all the way. Okay. I'm happy with that. So I don't feel like I've lost a heck of a lot of head space, which is the main. Oh yes. Yeah, I don't feel like I'm slanting at all now. Yeah, I've got a little gap here as well. I've allowed a gap here for me to access my pots here. Yeah, if I need to, I can access my pots from here, which kind of opens out this way. But then also to, yeah, do my, got my bits of stuff in there. But it's very unlikely that I'll be sitting on this end unless I'm sat outside, because as you can see, there's not much of a headspace here. But yeah, but if I was to sit outside, I'd probably fold my mattress away. Yeah, just so that I have got a bit of room. And then, because the platform is on legs, it means that I've also got space underneath to store stuff. So, for example, I could now store this underneath the bed and not have it in the way. The extension lead should fit nicely underneath there. Yep. That's it. That's how easy it is. Let me show you from the back what it looks like now. Okay, it's nice and straight and even. Still got a considerable amount of headspace to sit on that end. And when I'm not using it, I am going to now fold it away. There you go. Got a platform that'll stay in the boot of my car now. Got my mattress, the bedding. Got my window covers here, my table, storage box. And there's my car camping setup all done. Thank you for watching. See you again.